Hi, I'm Josey Prior, and I'm going to be going over Prasarita Padotonasana, or standing wide-legged forward fold. We'll move through two variations, what we call letter A and letter C. Beginning strong here at the tops of your mats, you can bring your hands by your side. We're going to take a big step open to the right. So a very wide stance, maybe 3 to 4 feet, depending on the length of your legs and the openness in your hips. You'll bring your hands to your waist to begin. So feet are about parallel here. You're strengthening up through both feet as well as both thighs. Lengthen through your spine here. Use your hands to remind that core to stay strong. Hug the elbows back a little. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale, hinge from your hips to fold. Keep that spine nice and long. Keep the gaze slightly forward to begin. If you have tight hamstrings, feel free to find a nice, generous bend in the knees to allow yourself to get a little more inverted. When you arrive, release the hands down. Re-lengthen the spine, gaze forward. Walk the hands back, begin to fold a little more, allowing the head to release. If you can walk the hands back between the feet, maybe find a bend in those elbows, kind of like chaturanga arms. Maybe the crown of the head releases down, or maybe it comes onto a block. Walk the hands back, bend into the elbows, press into your hands. Send a little bit of weight out of your heels and into your toes to get a little more inverted. Press into all 10 fingertips. Send the hips high. Take a deep breath in, staying for 5 to 10 breaths. Engaging the legs strong the entire time. Take a deep breath in and out. When you're ready to come out of the pose, use your inhale to lengthen the spine. Walk the hands forward, gaze forward, kind of like that halfway lift we do in our sun salutations. Bring the hands to the waist nice and slow. Deep exhale. Inhale to rise up tall. Adjust your footing. Find that parallel stance once more. We'll do another popular variation, Prasarita Padotonasana, letter C. This time we're going to bring our arms to a T, and then we'll clasp hands behind the back. Maybe you want to test out which is your non-dominant grip. So opposite thumb on top. It's just going to feel a little funny in the hands. It's a nice little change. When you arrive, lengthen your spine by pulling that fist downward, maybe slight gaze up. It's coming down the same way, hinging from our hips rather than rounding in that spine. So long spine here, hinge from the hips, bend those knees if you need to. Get nice and inverted here, releasing the head down, sending those hips high. If you'd like, allow that one large fist to fall off the back towards the floor ahead of you. Another nice option is to open up those hands, pressing the palms away from the body, a slightly different stretch in the shoulders. If the hands are open, bring the palms back together before you lift up. Rise up with strong, straight legs. Keeping that fist together, come up tall, adjust your footing, find stability. Exhale, hands to the waist, and a big step forward, top of the mat, and pause.